Picture this: food photos that make you hungry. Imagine scrolling through a feed filled with vibrant, mouth-watering dishes that make you want to reach through the screen. Want people craving your food? The secret lies in capturing the essence of the dish. A picture is worth 1,000 bites. Each photo should tell a story of flavor and texture. Good food photography is like a magic spell. It enchants viewers and draws them in. It makes dishes look delicious, fresh, and ready to eat. The colors, the plating, everything should scream, "Eat me now." Think about scrolling through a menu or looking at food blogs. The best photos make you stop and stare. Which pictures make your tummy rumble? The ones that capture the perfect moment of culinary delight. Probably the ones that look so good you can almost taste them. The right lighting and angle can make all the difference. Great food photos grab attention and make people want to try the food. They create an emotional connection. They're key for restaurants, food bloggers, and anyone sharing their culinary creations online. It's about making your food irresistible. Ready to make your food photography stand out? Let's dive in and explore the techniques that will elevate your culinary creations visually. Your camera, your kitchen assistant, getting started. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, this guide will help you capture mouth-watering food photos. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy camera to take great food photos. Your smartphone is more than capable of producing stunning images. Your smartphone can do the trick. With the right techniques, you can make your food look as delicious as it tastes. Even a basic camera can work wonders if you know how to use it. Understanding your camera's settings can elevate your photos to the next level. Here's what matters most. Natural light is your friend. Find a well-lit spot near a window. Natural light brings out the true colors and textures of your food. Keep it steady. Use a tripod or find a stable surface to avoid blurry pictures. Stability is key to capturing sharp, clear images. Clean your lens. Food photos look best when everything is crisp and clear. A clean lens ensures that your photos are free from smudges and dust. Remember, the best camera is the one you have with you. It's all about making the most of your equipment. Practice and experiment to see what works best for you. Try different angles, lighting, and compositions to find your unique style. The more you practice, the better your photos will become. Let there be light, natural versus artificial. Lighting is everything in food photography. It can make or break your photo. Natural light is best for food. It makes colors look rich and appetizing. Try shooting near a window and use a reflector, a whiteboard, or even a piece of paper to bounce light back onto the food. Artificial light can work too, but it can be tricky. If you're using lamps or overhead lights, adjust the color balance in your camera settings to prevent your photos from looking too yellow or blue. Section 4. Arranging your culinary masterpiece. Composition is key. Composition is how you arrange everything in your photo. Think of it like plating your dish, but for the camera. Use the rule of thirds. Imagine your photo divided into 9 equal squares. Place the most important part of your dish, like the star ingredient, where the lines intersect. This creates balance and makes your photo more interesting. Don't be afraid to get close. Fill the frame with your delicious subject. And remember, sometimes a simple background works best to keep the focus on your food. Section 5. Styling secrets, props and presentation. Styling is where you can get creative. Props help tell a story and make your food photos more appealing. Think about the story you want to tell. Is it a cozy family meal or a fancy dinner party? Use props that fit the mood, like napkins, cutlery, ingredients, or even a textured tablecloth. Keep it simple and don't go overboard with props. The food should always be the star. Section 6. Angles and appetites. Finding the perfect perspective. The angle you choose can dramatically change how your food looks. Experiment with different angles to see what works best for specific dishes. Overhead shots are great for flat dishes like pizza or salads. They show off the whole spread. Straight on is ideal for burgers, sandwiches, or layered desserts, as it emphasizes height and texture. A 45-degree angle is a versatile angle that works well for many dishes, mimicking the view from a dining table. Try getting on the same level as your food. This often creates a more intimate and appealing image. Section 7. A little Polish basic editing for food photos. Editing can take your food photos from good to wow. A few simple tweaks can make a huge difference. But remember, less is often more. Over-editing can make your food look artificial. You don't need fancy software. Basic tools are often enough to achieve stunning results. Your phone or computer's basic editing tools can do the trick. Apps like Snapseed or Lightroom Mobile are great options. Crop and straighten to make sure your image is balanced and the focus is on the food. This helps in creating a professional look. Adjust brightness and contrast to brighten up those shadows and make the colors pop. This can make your dish look more appetizing. Fine-tune colors to enhance the natural colors of your dish, but avoid making them look unnatural. Subtle adjustments can go a long way. Remember, the goal is to enhance, not alter. You want your food to look as delicious as it does in real life. Keep it natural and let your delicious food shine. The best edits are the ones that aren't noticeable.